All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Monday, November 27th. I hope everyone had an absolute fantastic Thanksgiving. I've been away for a few days, so I'm just trying to get back in the groove. So the one market we're looking at, and I urge you, again, it's up to you if you want to put this trade down, but I'm looking at UTX. Again, you're getting this video after the market closes. It's about 2:30 right now. This is UTX, United Technologies. I'm looking to buy call options here. Okay. I believe this is going higher. We're starting to really consolidate down in here. Irregardless of the moving averages and what it all looks like, overall, we are definitely in an uptrend overall if you back it up a bit, right? We've rallied quite a bit. We had a big drop down in here, came back up, try to retest the highs. Now we're right back in the middle. This purple line is the 200 simple moving average, but again, we are consolidating in here quite nicely, and I believe we're going to get a pop to the upside if anything. So I'm looking to buy the 120, so I'm going to go out of the money, okay, call options. I'm going to go January, the January 19th expiration, so January 19th, 2018, 120 call option. All right. So right now it's trading at about $1.22.23. Okay, my stop on this will actually be half of the premium price. Okay, so half of the premium price, which would be about 61-ish cents if we drop down to 61 cents. All right, I'm looking to take some profits at 50% profit. All right, so 50%, if I got filled at 122, I'm trying to get a fill right now, that'd be what, 61 cents plus 22 cents would be about $1.83. I'd be taking half off the table, locking in some profit, looking to maybe hit 100% winner on this, possibly, if we get the move that we're looking for here. Just got it. Okay, $1.22 is where I got filled on the option. $1.22. So when you get this video, if we're lower, great. If we're a little higher, that's fine. But again, I'm looking at the 120 strike price, January 19, 2008 expiration. And again, looking for a pop in this stock to the upside. And again, would rather play the call option than the actual underlying itself. All right, let's take a look at Starbucks. Starbucks got nailed today to the downside, okay? Look at that 2-bar RSI. We are going to close below 10 on the 2-bar RSI. Remember, we're long here, we're long here. If you're not long Starbucks, I would look at this. Seriously, look at this. Up to you, of course. But if you have not gotten long at all since I've been talking about the stock, I definitely would. You could do the call options. I'd go with, look at, when I do the call options, when I buy calls or puts outright, I go out at least 45 days. So right now we would go out to the January expiration, third week of January, which is the 19th. I would go at the money, 56 call option roughly. I mean, if you want to be more aggressive, you'd be out of the money, go maybe 58s. If you want to go further out of the money, or in the money rather, you go a couple strike prices below where we're currently at, 56, maybe 55, 54. It's completely depending on what your risk tolerance and what you're looking for. But I would seriously consider Starbucks on this big drop today out of this consolidation. I still believe we're going higher, of course. Let's revisit gold, GLD. I've been long gold for quite a while, right down in here, right? I pointed out first time down in here when we tried to retest this bottom right in here. I believe we're going higher. We're probably going to retest this high in here. So we gapped higher today, so this is where we're sitting right in here. We'll see if we can continue going higher. But I'm definitely paying attention to this high right up in here. And the ETF, the GLD ETF, which is a high of 123.97, we're at 122.89. So about a point from there. For those of you that happen to still be long ADMS, good for you. We are, looks like we're going to have an inside bar today, right? The low slightly higher than the low of last week. High is lower than Friday's, right? So my trailing stop would be below Friday's low tomorrow on Tuesday. Okay. And boy, take a look at Amazon. Amazon is just stronger than strong could be. Today is Cyber Monday, so we're up even further. I mean, look at Friday. Friday, huge up day. Today, gapped higher. Have not been able to fill that gap. We're going to close probably near the mid-range. Just a real strong stock. Again, if you're not long Amazon, then I don't know what to say. I definitely wait for a pullback, and I will let you know when I've been long this stock quite a while actually, so I'm long. I'm not touching that position, right? But I will trade options, actually trade them. So I'm looking for the market to pull back to get in the options, right? 45-day out in the money option. So again, one of my criteria for looking for that pullback is that 2-bar RSI, and right now we are above 80. Okay, we're actually I'll give you the exact price of where we're at. So we're really overbought, 98, which doesn't mean anything. The market can continue going higher, but I would really like to see it pull back and get me oversold. 2-bar RSI. Look at these 2-bar RSI readings. Every time we closed below 10. Okay, I mean, take a look at this. All of these moves that we've gotten, right? I mean, look at right in here. Market consolidating. Look at that inside bar here. Took it out to the high, to the upside. Took out the highs. I mean, just phenomenal. So I'll let you know the next call option trade that I'm looking for. Okay, have a great evening, and I will be back with you tomorrow. Bye.